Damn it, it's
Thank you.
December. Dude, go down.
Arizona Pursuit Experience.
What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna do a chorizo recipe, a Javelina chorizo recipe actually, and it's really good. We're doing this because a lot of people out there say that Javelina isn't good, and they say that it's gross, and it's all how you cook it with anything else. Like, if you don't know how to cook beef, it's gonna taste gross, it's not gonna taste good. So today we're gonna do a chorizo recipe that was actually passed down from my grandfather, with some modifications of mine as well that I added in. So if this recipe doesn't work out for you, I don't know what to say. Just don't hunt javelina anymore. Don't eat it. Yeah, you guys can modify it how you would like to fit your needs, and let me know what you think. And I hope you like it. And if you like this video and you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Dude!
Yes, got him.
Got it.
Lifting him up.
Arizona Pursuit Experience.